Sa antas ng karunungan at magpatuloy ng
Gawin natin lahat na hindi makapangyayari ang palatuntunang pagtatapos na ito kung wala ang mga taong naging sandalan at katuwang ninyo sa inyong pag-aaral. Ang salitang salamat ay makatutulong upang ipadama sa kanila.
My due respect to our President and CEO, our CEO Ms. Agnes Blue,
Nabasa mo lang yan eh.
Director for Finance, Ma'am Ana Atlea Hernandez, AVP for School Operations and POP, Sir Dario S. Espineta, Director for External Affairs, Ma'am Gemma M. Leon, Branch Director, Mr. Samuel I. Villa, the Academic Coordinator, Ms. Angela May PSP, Registrar, Ma'am Melanie C. Sandacion, and to our esteemed guests, staff and faculty members, as well, family as well as my friends. It is because our Creator discovers that they have seen better paths, and that is called redirection. If I were to describe the